Hey guys, just a quick fix for you if you're having this problem with your DAB radio. Hey, if you've come into your car and you're having a problem where the DAB radio is just not working, this could be the fix for you. So this is the issue you could be having. You can see here that I've got my audio turned up halfway. There's no sound coming out of the DAB at all. The tuning is fine, it's finding the stations, but no music is coming out. You can see if we go on to Spotify here, this will play. I'll just play a second, obviously. For copyright reasons, I can't play the whole song, but let's just play any random song here. There you go. So you can hear that the audio is working, but it's just the DAB which isn't. So I've had this a couple of times, and this was the fix for me. And to be honest, this fix fixes a lot of issues with your Tesla. If you're finding something isn't acting up, maybe the camera isn't working, maybe the screen's gone a bit funny, try this reset. So what you need to do is hold down these two scroll wheels at the same time and your brake, and then hold them down until your car fully resets. You want to make sure that after your car goes black, that the Tesla logo comes back onto the screen. This can take about 30 seconds. The screen's now gone black. Now keep holding it down. It does sometimes feel like it's just not going to work. And I remember the first time I did this, it felt like I'd maybe broken my car. But within a second or two, the car will reset itself and the Tesla logo will come back up on the screen. There we go. The Tesla logo is now coming back up. Your fingers off the buttons and the brake pedal, and the car should start up any second. So now let's try out the radio. Let's put LBC on just because there's no music.
Gamers gaming and TikTokers ticking. So switch.
There we go. So that has fixed the issue for me. This has happened a couple of times since my ownership of the Tesla. I've also had updates freeze. I've had the screen freeze, and this reset works almost every single time. So if you're stuck with the DAB or any other issue, try that. I hope that's helped. Just a quick video today. Let me know in the comments below if it did help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.